Today I'm planning to showcase how we can get that primary phone number from the page list or page. Okay, let's go to do that. So for that I created one DT, so to get that primary phone number. Okay, that is some example. So here I taken example like assets. Okay, we have the three assets, that is a laptop and a headphone. I need to get that primary asset. Okay, so if you go to d_asset list, so here, this detail contains the results, asset results. I will showcase that. I will run this D page. Okay, sorry. So I'm opening PX results here. So this database contains three results. PX results one is asset ID. If you see here, we got that asset ID, asset manufacturing date, set name Dell laptop. If you see here, it is a primary asset. Is primary equal to true? Okay, this is a primary asset. If you go to results 2, this asset is not a primary asset. You can see that I can show that third record also. If you see here, this is also not a primary asset. Okay, now I need to get that the primary asset details and store it into asset details page. So here I have the asset details page. It is a page only, not a page list. If I go to here, this is a page. So I need to store the single record, not a multiple record. So for that one, what I can do, so we have that function called CountInPageListWhen. This function returns the count. What is the index means index. So here we need to provide a when condition, that when condition having a primary, get the primary. So actually the results have where this when condition we need to create, that is the main question. So this when condition run on the d_asset list DPS. Okay, we need to go to this database and we need to check that what is the primary context of this DPS. The primary context is this class. So we need to create the when condition inside this class only. So I already created. I will show this where this when condition available. Okay, go to here. This is the when condition. So what is primary asset is a boolean property, so no need to give that is primary equal to true. So we can give just is primary asset, that's it. Okay, so now so is primary. So whenever we have that is primary equal to true, then we can get the count means index. So we can get the index. So in the next step, what we are doing, we are updating a page. This page, so with what values we need to update. So here we are given the d_asset list dot px results of what is the primary. So for example, that primary record is available in first place, then we can get it as a 0 index here, prime px results of 0. So we are setting the asset ID and all details into asset details space. So we can run it this data transform standalone. So we can see it. So we can trace that session also. If you run it, Okay, if you see here, we got the details like valid HDFC. Okay, here, this is the customer ID 01, asset ID, the primary value is true, and the laptop. You can also see it in tracer also. Okay, tracer. Okay, if you see here, first condition itself only, I can open this d underscore. Okay, if you see here, if you go to here, so is primary asset equal to true, so one condition false true. If we go to here, second record on the D page, is primary asset equal to false, so that the when condition will be false only. And after that, actually what happened, it sets that is set primary index, right? Set primary index equal to primary index 1. Primary index 1. Okay, so that results, and we can go to the clipboard and we can see that what is the asset details it is stored. So basically we run that data transform standard on, so in the thread of standard only we can see the results. Okay, if we go to asset details, we got that results in the run record primary page. Go to here, this is the asset details, we got it. That is 01 laptop customer 2. Okay, that's it. Thank you.